regulatory risk is real, and it's going much broader than it has in the past. In large cap tech stocks, Google has a major conflict of interest in being dominating search and also having a third-party web, let's call it ad service. It serves up ads on third-party websites. And guess what? It runs the world's biggest ad exchange. The FTC, the FCC is really going to look hard at that, and arguably, the ad exchange business should be independent of the world's largest search engine. Amazon, Jeff Bezos makes life hard by owning the Washington Post and constantly berating Trump, but leaving that aside, Amazon has a 1P retail business and then they have a 3P retail business. Do they use the data from their 3P business to enhance their 1P business? Probably. Should that be illegal? Probably. And then you get to Facebook, which gets the headlines. Facebook is a large holding in the Antipodes Fund because we believe it's a value stock. It's stock on a PE of 24 times, growing top line at 28% per annum. It's very cheap. We think the risks there are manageable. It doesn't dominate advertising. It has about a 10% market share in advertising. Yes, it's done some stupid things with data. It should never have done that. The data is more valuable inside Facebook than outside Facebook. And they've spent a lot of money in trying to improve their ability to pull down inappropriate content. So they are investing heavily to protect privacy and to keep the regulators at bay. Now, there will still be discussions around breaking up Facebook, absolutely. Instagram, when they bought it, was a very small business and it has become the second largest social media site. That's their execution, I would argue, but let's face it, if it got broken up, it wouldn't necessarily destroy value. You could have two very valuable businesses competing for a much larger share of the ultimate advertising pie. Just to move quickly along, Apple's own real risk, I think, is simply collateral damage in the trade war. If push comes to shove and American companies pull their supply chains out of China, which Apple has a very large manufacturing base for its devices in China, the Chinese have less incentive to give Apple access to its market. All Microsoft needs to do to keep the regulators away is fight their natural tendencies, their natural DNA to monopolize. They got caught once before for bundling operating system and the apps. They just need to now not bundle aggressively the apps with Azure, and they should be okay. It's our other quite large holding.